Hello everyone, I am Teacher Chris and today let's do some maths. So today I have my lovely Disney princesses with us to help us learn our maths today, okay guys? So let's take a look at what we will be learning for today. Today's topic is greater than, less than, and equal to. Greater than, less than, and equal to. And when I teach this one, I like to use the crocodile's mouth because the crocodile, he will always eat the biggest number. The crocodile is very, very hungry. So he wants to eat the biggest amount or the biggest number. Okay, guys? So if the crocodile's mouth is facing this way, we will say greater than. If the crocodile's mouth is facing this way, we will say less than. And if we have the crocodile's mouth like this, we will say equal to. Okay, so let's take a look at what the crocodile wants to eat. Okay, let's take a look at these numbers we have on the screen right now. Our first number is number 10, and our second number is number 5. So remember, the crocodile will always eat, because he's very hungry, he will always eat the biggest number. So let's take a look at our first crocodile. If we put this one here, did the crocodile go to eat the biggest number? No, he didn't. He chose the smallest number, so we will not choose this one. If we choose this one, did the crocodile um, eat the biggest number? Yes, he did. So now we can say that 10 is greater than 5. 10 is greater than 5, which means that 10 is the biggest number when we compare the two numbers. Okay, so remember, the crocodile will always eat the biggest number. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, now we have a small number and a big number. We have number 6 and we have number 39. Now, if the two numbers were the same, we would use this one. But now 6 and 39, they're not the same number. So we cannot say equal to. And if we take this one, remember the crocodile will always eat the biggest number. So right now, the crocodile, he wants to eat 6. But is that bigger than 39? No. Now, we know that 39 is the biggest number. 39 is more than 6. So the crocodile, um, um, he wants to eat the biggest number. So now we know that 39 is the biggest number because the crocodile will eat it. So we can now say that 6 is less than 39. 6 is less than 39. Okay, now let's see some more numbers. Now we have 10 and 10. Now, the crocodile still wants to beat the biggest number, but uh-oh, the numbers are the same. So the crocodile cannot eat one. So for this one, we would have to put equal to. And we can say that 10 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10. Okay, now let's take a look at some of them where you would have to draw the crocodile's mouth by yourself. So remember, the crocodile will always eat the biggest number. So we have to make sure the mouth is open to the biggest number. So we will draw our sign in like this. Okay, now the crocodile has just eaten the biggest number. So we will say 14 is less than 17. 14 is less than 17. Let's take a look at another one. Now we have the numbers 40 and 17. 40 and 17. So which one is the biggest number? So we have to open the crocodile's mouth to the biggest number. So we'll take our pen and make sure we draw the crocodile eating the biggest number. So this time we can say 40 is greater than 17. 40 is greater than 17. Okay, and let's take a look at another example. Now we have 14 and 14. So the crocodile still wants to eat the biggest one. Do we have a bigger number? No, they're the same size, they're the same number. So this one, the crocodile cannot eat one of them. So we have to say equal to. 14 is equal to 14. 14 is equal to 14. Now, for the next ones, guys, let's take a look at some other kinds of questions you might get asked, okay? Our question here says, circle the number that is less than the red number. Circle the number that is less than the red number. So our red number is 35. And we need to choose which number, 55 or 18, is less than our red number. So it is the smaller number than this one here, okay? Is 55 less than 35? Is 18 less than 35? Yes. So we know we can circle the number 18. Shall we take a look at another one? Okay. Now it says circle the number that is more than the red number. Circle the number that is more than the red number. Our red number today is 25. So we need to look at these two numbers to see which one is more than 25. Is 17 more than 25? Is 45 more than 25? Yes. So let's circle our number that is more than 25. Okay. And you might see in your questions, you might see some word problems. Now, these are the tricky ones, okay? It says here, our first word problem. There are 20 people in Sam's bus. There are 20 people in Sam's bus. Tom's bus has 35 people riding in it. Tom's bus has 35 people riding in it. Whose bus has more people on it? So let's have a look. We know that Sam has 20 people, and we know that Tom has 35 people. So, which person's bus has more? And we'll just write the name of the person. Is it Sam or is it Tom? And today it is, oh, wrong way. It is Tom. It is Tom. Okay, let's take a look at another question you might get. Matt's puppy is 34 days old. Matt's puppy is 34 days old. Dan's puppy is 25 days old. Whose puppy is older? Whose puppy is older? So Matt's puppy is 34 days old and Dan's puppy is 25 days old. Whose puppy is older? And we'll just write our answer at the bottom. The answer is Matt's puppy. Okay, guys, before we go, let's just quickly go back and look at these symbols again. We have greater than, and we can also say more than, less than, or we can also say fewer than. And we have is equal to, or we could also say is the same as. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and me and the princesses will see you all soon. Bye-bye.